guys, welcome back to another video with the E521. I am Chris from Chris Tech and Games, and I'm here with...
29, also known as Nate.
Alright, so here we are, and today's video is like Beta 1.7.3 Minecraft, working on the Dell Dimension E521. All the data is already on here for it. I probably should get my USB though, just in case if I need it. Here it is, right here. And I'm gonna sit that there, and we're gonna go ahead and plug in the Dell. Yes, guys, I just did that so you could get some fan audio if you want it.
Of course.
Okay. My speakers are not working today. Okay. My speakers aren't working today for some reason. I have no idea why.
Are they turned on?
Yes, they are.
Are they plugged into the computer?
I'm pretty sure they're plugged into the right port.
Why don't you check that?
I'm not going to right at this moment. But here we are inside of the Dell Dimension. So here we are in here. You can see this is our stuff. Let's go ahead and I do have Minecraft in here. Okay. So here we are. We're going to open up Notebook and we're going to type in percentage app data percent. There we go. We're going to put .minecraft here already for some random reason. Let's go ahead and copy these files. Whoops. Let's just copy all of it because you know. And drive noises for you. Okay, so there is your drive noises. Let's go ahead and open up Minecraft. Let's see what it pops up with this time. Let's go ahead and click login. Just play offline. Here it is. It loaded. It loaded. Okay, let's see what kind of FPS we get. Anyways, this is beta 1.7, so if you're some old player, this will bring back nostalgia. Anyways, let's get on this one here. See what FPS we get. This is fancy graphics. I am getting 35 FPS with fancy graphics. Not too bad, is it?
Not really.
Let's go fast graphics. And that was on far render distance. I never use that. Here, let's... Okay, so here is our Minecraft. We're going to play some Minecraft. Okay, guys, so here we are back on the Minecraft. Anyways, you can see it's working, and with low graphics, I'm getting only 29 FPS. See, brightness 100. Let's see if you get any better on this. 60 FPS is what it looks like to be. It looks to be. Ah, I forgot. Single player commands, turning off light. Alright, so this works. I can't believe this works, but it does. So let's go ahead and open up Minecraft again. This time we're going to go into our bin. Here's Minecraft 1.0, so we're gonna copy this one to the desktop. And we're gonna delete this one on here. We're gonna rename this one to Minecraft, and we're gonna see the performance on that one. Okay, it looks like that one does not want to load. Okay, so 1.0 does not load. So, well, thank you guys for watching, because that was a pretty neat video.